Are you searching for gadgets that won't mess up your budget? Well, look no further. We've got a bunch of cool gadgets under $50 that can help you out. Whether you're always losing your stuff, want great sound on the move, or need better internet connections, there's something here for you. These gadgets are all about making life easier and more fun, without costing you a fortune. So let's check them out. Number 8. Amazfit Band 7. Looking for a good fitness tracker that won't cost you too much? Check out the Amazfit Band 7. It's packed with features and is a great value for the price. The Band 7 has a big 1.47-inch display, so you can see all your important info without having to scroll too much. And you won't have to charge it every day either. The battery can last up to 18 days with regular use and up to 28 days if you use battery saver mode. Plus, it has Amazon Alexa built in, so you can do things like set alarms or get translations using just your voice. Experience the convenience and affordability of the Amazfit Band 7 for just $49. So, don't miss out on this incredible deal to elevate your fitness journey and streamline your daily routine. Number 7. TileMate. If you're like me and often misplace your keys or backpack, don't worry, let me introduce you to Tile, the perfect solution for keeping track of your important stuff. With TileMate, you can attach it to everyday items like keys, backpacks, or purses. Then you can use the free Tile app to easily find them. Whether your lost item is nearby within Bluetooth range, or even if it's connected to your smart home device, you can locate it effortlessly. But Tile does more than just making your lost items ring. It also has a feature called the Tile Network. This means if you lose something and someone else with the Tile app comes near it, you'll get a notification with their contact information. So it's like having a team of helpers to find your lost things. And guess what? TileMate is also affordable at only $48. So, for a small investment, you can have peace of mind knowing you can easily find your misplaced items. Number 6. 12 South Airfly. Introducing the 12 South Airfly Pro, a must-have gadget for travelers who love their music or movies on the go. This little device lets you easily connect 2 pairs of AirPods or other Bluetooth headphones to an airplane's entertainment system. That means you and a friend can both enjoy the same movie or listen to music together during the flight. But the Airfly Pro isn't just for planes. It works in rental cars or with older speakers too, so you can use your Bluetooth headphones wherever you are. No more tangled cords to deal with, just smooth, uninterrupted sound. And here's the best part. It has a really long battery life of over 20 hours, so it'll keep going for even the longest flights. Plus, if you forget to charge it, you can still use it while it's plugged in. And all these cool features come at a great price. Just $46. Say goodbye to audio problems and hello to easy, comfortable listening on all your adventures. Number 5. Tilt Energy 2K. If you're exhausted with the charging issue and can't find a plug for your charger, don't worry. Introducing the TYLT Energy 2K Smart Charger, your ultimate solution for staying powered up on the go. This amazing device replaces traditional wall chargers with portable power. It has a built-in 2200 mAh battery pack, so you'll never run out of juice whether you're at home, on the road, or traveling abroad. You can charge your devices without being stuck next to an outlet. Just unplug the smart charger from the wall and take your power with you wherever you go. Plus, it has a handy LED indicator to show you how much power is left, so you're always prepared. And the best part? It's only $35. Say goodbye to battery issues and never worry about losing power again. Stay connected and powered up wherever life takes you. Number 4. Link Digital Business Card. No more paper business cards that get tossed aside. Say hello to the Link Card, a game-changing alternative that'll wow any professional you meet. This sleek card isn't just a practical tool, it sparks interesting conversations at networking events. Getting started with the Link Card is super easy. Just download the Link app, link your profile, and you're all set. When someone taps your card with their phone, your Link profile pops up instantly, making it a breeze for them to save your contact info. But wait, there's more. The Link Card goes beyond basic contact details. With smart NFC technology, you can share your social media profiles, payment info, photos, videos, and even custom calls to action. No more juggling multiple paper cards. The Link card puts all your networking needs in one place. And here's the best part, it's only $15. So, instead of spending money on paper cards that might end up in the trash, invest in the Link card to leave a lasting impression in your professional circles. Number 3. Luminate Solar Inflatable Lantern. Introducing the Luminate Solar Inflatable Lantern. A super handy light that uses sunlight to brighten up your nights. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just love cool gadgets, this lantern is perfect for you. It's really bright, with 75 lumens, and you can adjust the brightness to fit your needs. Plus, it's super lightweight and inflatable, so you can take it anywhere and set it up easily. The best part? It has a 24-hour battery backup, and you can charge it with sunlight. All this for just $35. It's perfect for outdoor adventures or if you want to be ready for emergencies. Light up your nights with the Luminate Solar Inflatable Lantern. Number 2. TPLink Tapo T 15 Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini. Tired of bending down to unplug lights or stretching to turn off a lamp? Well, say hello to the TP-Link Tapo T 15 Wi-Fi Smart Plug. A set of 3 smart plugs that make your life easier. These plugs work with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings, so they'll fit right into your smart home setup. Whether you're at home or away, you can control these plugs from your phone, set schedules, and even make them turn off automatically. And guess what? You get 3 plugs for just $26. That's a great deal for the convenience they bring. So no more struggling with old-fashioned switches. Upgrade to the TP-Link Tapo T15 and enjoy the convenience of smart home automation. Number 1. Kodakector H35. Capture your special moments with a touch of old-school charm using Kodak's compact camera. It's designed to give you that vintage feel without costing a fortune. This lightweight camera looks just like the classic ones, but is much cheaper. It can shoot half frames, so you get twice as many pictures on one roll of film. You can even take consecutive photos side by side for cool effects. The camera is small enough to fit in your pocket, so you can take it everywhere. It's easy to use, whether you're a pro or a beginner. And it has a flash that you can turn on by twisting the silver ring around the lens, so you can take pictures day or night, indoors or outdoors. And the best part, it's only $49. So, for a small investment, you can capture all your special moments. Get your camera, load some film, and start taking pictures this holiday season. So, there you have it. What's your favorite gadget from this video? Tell us in the comments below. And remember, don't miss out on the excitement. Bring these futuristic gadgets into your life and make it more fun and smart with TechByte.